Short essay on a memorable journey. Some journeys are too memorable that we cannot forget them. I remember it was a hot summer day. I went to the beach with my family. We reached the beach. I was so excited because everyone was enjoying the sea. The sound of the waves at short intervals was amazing. We felt refreshed by the cool breeze on the seashore. There were many children were playing with a ball. Some children were making castles of sand. I collected shells on the beach. There was a beautiful sight of the sunset. There were hawkers selling toys and balloons. There was some vendors were selling coconuts, ice creams and other things. There were so many stalls. There की spelling जो है correct कर लीजिएगा. We ate some food and drank coconut water. We enjoyed a lot at the beach.